Hey guys, and welcome to the Triple T Trade channel. Today I decided to dedicate this video to the types of trading, how to choose the most suitable one for yourself to get the maximum benefit and pleasure. Feel free to subscribe the channel and let's start. In fact, trading is divided only into three varieties: long-term, short-term, and medium-term. As you might guess, the difference is in the terms of concluding the process. This directly affects the strategy you choose. Achieving good results in trading is impossible without a good trading strategy. And I should tell you that professional trading does not allow random decisions based on emotions, unreasonable assumptions, and instincts. That is why entering and exiting trades must be taken extremely seriously. First of all, when you start creating your strategy, you should determine the time frame in which you will trade. If you choose the wrong type of trading, you can waste a lot of time and effort. And at the very beginning, you should analyze all the pros and cons of the trading types, of course. You should clearly understand which time period suits you, your lifestyle, and your daily routine. Actually, there are no clear boundaries to divide the long-term, medium-term, and short-term trading, but an approximate frameworks can be described. Most often, the term short-term trading is understood as intraday trading, when a trader works in the range of one trading day. Beginners are usually attracted to small time frames from 1 to 5 minutes, as the price moves quickly here, and it seems that there is more money to be made. Short-term trading is also very attractive for experienced traders, because the profit in this case comes very quickly, from a few minutes to a few hours maximum. This type of trading also includes scalping. The time of existence of an open position in scalping is from several seconds to several minutes. Profit appears very quickly. Most short-term traders focus more on various chart patterns and candles rather than on the general trend and situation in the global economy. The main advantage of short-term trading is that it is possible to enter the exchange with a small deposit. This allows almost everyone to test their strength in the world of trading. Also, one of the main advantages of short-term trading is that there is no risk of losing a deposit when out of the market. Trading several times a day for several hours, the trader almost always keeps his capital safe, because the rest of the time he is not active on this field. When a trader is not trading, he does not even need to be at the computer and to follow the charts. The disadvantages of the short-term trading is that a trader can easily miss a profitable opportunity, since decisions must be made quickly enough. There is also a lot of psychological stress. In the case of the large number of negative trading operations, it is very difficult for a new trader to keep himself in a normal psychological state. Well, what to do? Thus, short-term trading suits stress-resistant people who are able to make decisions quickly and not react to short-term drawn-outs. It requires composure, high concentration, but at the same time, the trader does not need to have such patience as in long-term trading, let's say. The result is noticeable much faster. From now on, in each video, I will answer some of your most popular or interesting questions. One of your favorite topics is, of course, how is it possible to get rich quick on the stock exchange? Come on, guys. Having invested 100 bucks, it is unlikely that you will be able to earn $1 million in a month. Let's say for professional traders, an average result of 20-25% per month is considered to be fairly good. Of course, they can make 100 and even 1000% in 30 days. But this is more like a blessing or something, because such trading is made extremely rare. And believe me, with a lot of good luck. You also ask what asset is better for a beginner to start with. I advise you to choose raw materials. For example, pork, even I'm a vegetarian, grain or tin, because they are easier to predict and their price does not change much. Or choose stocks, Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and other so-called blue chips. They are the least susceptible to chaotic fluctuations. Yep, it's easier. In general, we devoted a whole video to analyzing the types of assets with their pros and cons, so go directly to the link. And keep writing your questions in the comments, and you will find the answers in the next videos. Medium-term trading involves trading actively for several days, mostly within a week. This type of trading does not require the trader to follow the quotes around the clock, but it does require that the trader checks the major news every day and understands the general price trends. It also helps a trader to monitor the change in quotes within each day, and it is necessary to understand medium-term trends. In medium-term trading, both technical and fundamental analysis are of equal importance, and the trader must be equally good at both of them. Traditionally, medium-term forex trading and stock trading is the prerogative of those investors who want to make money on price fluctuations. But to enter the market here with just a couple of dollars will not work out. A deposit of at least $200 to $500 is required. This style is suitable for busy people who want to actively engage in trading, but they're not able to do it within one trading day because, well, let's say lack of the time or the specification of their character or the psychotype. Long-term trading is trading on long-term time frames, from a week to several years. Such trading is called positional. First of all, long-term trading in the stock market as well as in the forex market involves the search for undervalued assets, and the chosen strategy requires that a number of factors be taken into account. Firstly, a potential investor must have financial resources for the long-term investments, because before an asset starts to bring profit, it can first significantly sink. Secondly, you need to find a trend for long-term trading. And the ideal entry points for the long-term trading are formed only a few times a year. So rare. Finally, such trading involves primary fundamental analysis, and the chosen strategy will differ significantly from those used in the other types of trading. Long-term trading is more relaxed, chill, since you do not have to follow the news around the clock and study small market fluctuations. It is suitable for those who have enough funds, let's say from $2,000, and who wants to save time and are ready to wait for profit, and also want to do it without any stress. Well, with a little bit of it, maybe. In fact, many professional traders like to periodically switch between different types of trading, although each of them has a clear favorite that brings them most of the profit. But for beginners, I would strongly recommend studying and trying yourself in different forms, because without it, it will be much more harder to understand what your soul is for. For example, I have always considered myself to be pretty risky, but if you look at the history of my trades and the strategies that I prepare, you will see I create completely different niche. Well, I hope you got enough for today. Feel free to write comments and tell me which strategy you would like to prefer to try first and why, of course. And remember to subscribe. Press the bell and leave your questions. I will answer it for sure. My name is Anna. I was glad to spend this time with you guys, and see you soon. Bye!